Nestled within the historic walled city of Jajce, Bosnia and Herzegovina, lies one of the Balkans' most remarkable medieval secrets, the Jajce Catacombs. Carved directly into the living rock around the year 1400, this underground church and crypt was commissioned by the Bosnian nobleman, Hrvoje Vukčić Hrvatinić, the founder of the city itself. His grand intention was to create a sacred burial site for himself and his family. Stepping inside is a journey 6 centuries back in time. The complex is a complete, though roughly hewn, church with a narthex, a nave, and a presbytery. At the entrance, unfinished reliefs are carved into the rock face. A male figure, likely a warrior, and a female figure, holding what appears to be a fleur-de-lis. A staircase descends from the main chamber into a lower crypt, where the centerpiece is a large, sculpted double cross, flanked by ancient symbols of the sun and a crescent moon. These are rare symbols of the cult of death and the afterlife, reflecting the unique character of the independent Bosnian church. Despite being purpose-built for burial, historical records suggest no one from the Hrvatinić family was ever laid to rest here. The site, however, continued to weave itself into history's fabric. Local legend says that, during the Ottoman period, a dervish secluded himself here for 40 days to achieve spiritual enlightenment. Recognized as a national monument of Bosnia and Herzegovina in 2003, the Jajce Catacombs are not just an archaeological site. They are a silent, stone-clad chronicle of faith, power, and the enduring mystery of a medieval kingdom. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, leave a comment, or subscribe to see my other videos. Thanks for watching.